Hi, so this is a quick demo of my application Nido, which means nest in Spanish. And it's an Airbnb basically for refugees and asylum seekers in New York, and to help them connect with volunteers that are offering up homes or rooms. Um, so this is the landing page. As you scroll down, there's more information about the mission and what I hope the application could do, and some statistics on the refugee admissions rate that's been a huge problem in the country. Um, so you can either log in or sign up as a host or a caseworker. So let's sign someone up. Let's do a host. So I'll pick Alex3, alex@gmail.com. The password confirmation will error if they don't match. So let's make sure it matches. Sign up. A brief explanation about the user, description here, and you can or opt out not to have a profile photo. I won't time. And then you're prompted to see if you want to add a listing. I'll say yes. So now this is where we'll add the listing. We'll say great little place in Brooklyn. Next. You can also go back and address Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Room type, rooms in your home. The capacity for your listing, 2 people. Again, a brief description. I'm just going to use lorem ipsum. And the household type, we're a couple. Okay. And then languages spoken at the household. So I'll pick English, Japanese, and French. Next. And then any additional provisions that the host is willing to offer. So I'll say language practice and food. Legal aid. And I can also X out to remove the option. Next. Guest preference, say couple. Are you okay with hosting children? I'll say yes. And then you can upload images for the listing, much like an Airbnb. So I can choose one of the images, upload, and then I'll submit. And there it is. So obviously right now there's no placement statuses because I just added it. Here's the icons. If you click into the card, you can see more information about the listing. What we just completed in the form. And eventually the calendar will show you the days that there's been approved booking. If you go back, so this is the user landing page. You can see the profile. You can also edit the profile. These will be all your listings. You can also add a listing here and go through the same process, and then eventually you'll have requests here. So let's log out. And now I'm going to sign in as a pre-existing caseworker. So it looks a little bit different here. Same profile. And instead of listings, we have cases. So these are all of the cases that this caseworker is working with. And here's some stats about the cases. These are the numbers of approved placements, 1 pending, and then 1 in need of placement. So let's see, awaiting placement. And now, so based on the completed profile, you have listing suggestions based on an algorithm. You also have pending requests here. So let's pick this one. This is the one that we just created. So now the blue is where it's blocked its past days, so obviously you can't book that. This is the information about the listing and the host information. So let's say from the 22nd to the 30th, and request placement. Okay, now the request is pending. You can also message the host. So to Alex, I'll say, hey there, I just requested a placement. Submit. And there's my message. So now when you log out and sign back in as our new host, you have a pending request that we just did on the other side and a new message here. So let's go to the request. Now here the status is updated with one pending, and here is our case. So we'll be a nice person and validate the request. And now here is approved. And then you can go to messages, and that's the message that we just sent to ourselves. So yeah, that's my application. Thanks for watching.